Hello friends, thanks for joining me today. Today I am doing a trash to treasure, and my item is actually a trash can. I don't know if you remember, but I found this trash can at Salvation Army. I think I paid like $1.50 for it, and it was in one of my very first thrift store haul videos. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint around the edges, and then on the inside panels I'm going to use some decorative scrapbook paper, and I'm going to cut them to size and then adhere them into the panels. I made a video a while back about redoing a piece of furniture that I have here in my house in my family room, and this piece of furniture has doors on it, and it had glass windows in it, plexiglass, and I wanted to make them so they weren't translucent anymore. So I actually used scrapbook paper and I put it behind the plexiglass panels, and it turned out really beautiful. So the scrapbook paper that I'm going to use on this trash can is the same paper. So I figure I will use this trash can in my family room, and now the two pieces will match, and I feel pretty excited about that. The paint has dried, and now I'm ready to go ahead and size my scrapbook paper. So I'm using a piece of wax paper, and I'm setting it inside of the panel, and I am drawing the size onto this wax paper, and then I should be able to transfer that over to my decorative paper that I'll be using. Now that I drew in the panels onto the wax paper, I'm just going to cut out the shape using my paper cutter. Now I will use the template and mark all of my decorative papers and cut them to size. Now we're ready to begin fitting them into the panels, making sure I got the shape right. Each panel might not be exactly the same size, so I may need to trim a few corners here and there. I'm using tacky glue for my adhesive, and now I am ready to press this paper into the panel. The first one went pretty well, so now I am ready to adhere the rest of them. I hope that you've enjoyed watching me redo this trash can, my trash to treasure project. This has been a lot of fun. I'm loving how it's turning out. If you've enjoyed it, please smash that like button. Also, please subscribe to my page. You can follow me on Instagram as well, and I also have a Facebook page. Thanks for watching. See you soon.